They say that America is the land of opportunities, but I beg to differ. I think that we are living here in Africa, and specifically South Africa, we are living in a time where we're experiencing so many opportunities for entrepreneurs, so many opportunities for the ordinary people to grasp, to take hold and just step out and make a difference. I work with many people every day, and I believe with all my heart that in what you're going to hear today, what I want to share with you today is if you can just position yourself, have a right mindset, know the knowledge, know yourself, and step out in faith, step out in boldness, just do it. I know for sure that the opportunities will meet you at your expectation and you can be successful. So let's listen. Wealth building is simple, but that does not mean it's easy. The principles you need to know, the steps that you need to take to get your financial life in order are not rocket science. You know what works and what doesn't. But however, putting the principles into practice and taking the steps are the difficult part. You have to start. You have to understand the wealth building is not easy, but it is definitely worth it. It takes a lot of time. It takes energy and effort. It requires that you position yourself correctly. Now, what do I mean by that, positioning yourself? Well, you need to adapt some lifestyle positions, mindsets, attitudes in order to be successful. But first, let me ask you this question. How do you live a life completely free of financial constraint? How do you spend your time on your passions, your hobbies, your family and friends, doing things that completely juice you, energize you, and contribute to others and this world? How do you do it with complete peace of mind, free of guilt or worry, knowing you have all the money you need, both now and for as long as you get to spin around the sun, as long as you're on this earth? You do it by building up a pot of assets that do the earning for you. Assets that earn you all the income that you need to live the lifestyle you really want without you having to work if you don't want to. Now, this is financial freedom. What is actively earned income? Actively earned income is income earned by you exchanging your time, your energy, your skill for money. If you are an employee, self-employed, who gets paid based on your time and your skills, then you earn income actively. Why is only earning income actively a problem? Because if you want to earn more money, you must work harder, longer hours, or get more skills and hope to get a higher paying job or get your clients to pay you more. But when you earn income actively, you must make tough choices. Yes, and those choices comes every day. If you want to spend more time with the people you love, take time off to fulfill a bucket list dream, start a new career or business, travel the world, volunteer to a cause that you really feel passionate about, go out in nature more, or have the choice to work when you want to, then you must accept that you'll earn less and sacrifice something in your life. It always asks, it always is a price. Now, in many cases, taking time off and earning less isn't an option at all, and so your dreams must be sacrificed instead. What is asset-generated income? I'm glad you asked that question. Asset-generated income is income earned for you, but by something else called an asset. And the asset does not need you to be involved in the income-generating process at all. Because you see, asset-generated income is the income that flows into your life 24 hours, 365 days of the year without you having to exchange any of your time, energy, or skills for it. Asset-generated income means that when you sleep, you earn. When you spend time with those that you love, you still earn income. When you travel or go for a long walk or read a book or just take, lie in the jacuzzi or do anything of the things that you love, you still earn an income. Now, why do you need to create asset-generated income. If you want to have the choice to work or not, you need income flowing in generated by assets and not you. If you want to spend more time with the people that you love, do the things that you love, the things that juice you, the things that energizes you. If you want to travel the world, spend time, on vacation, spend time in nature, contribute more to the things that makes the world a better place, and work only because it completely juices you, then you need to create asset generated income. There's no other way. If you want to feel secure, knowing that you can stop working and still have all the income that you need flowing into your life, just flowing, you must learn how to create an asset generated income. Next week, we will continue with this, as I'm going to build precept upon precept in helping you how to build your life, how to build wealth in your life, how to accurately position yourself in generating a passive income into your life. I'm looking forward to it. Always great coming to you. I love you and I respect you. See you next week.